Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this, let me go back, in this general list we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's tap on this ringtone option. And we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which you can choose. At the top you've got the option silent, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. Moreover, right here you've got this plus icon, so you can enter your own files. If you've got something, for example, downloaded, then it should appear somewhere here and you will be able to choose it and set it as your ringtone. But let me choose something from the pre-installed ringtones, and all you have to do is to tap on the ringtone to listen how it sounds. So for example, we've got this one. Let me volume it down a little bit, and basically this is how it works. So just tap on the option and decide whether you like it. So let's pretend I'd like to set this falling star as my ringtone. So just tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and then go back. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.